All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Tuesday, October 21st. I lost 1.2K per account. Let me do math. I think it's just 6,000. Yeah, 6,000. So I lost $6,000 today trading the Nasdaq. Would I take this trade again? 10 out of 10 times, yes. Right? I do want price to push higher. I was bullish the entire day. Right? We've been trading inside a 4-hour gap this entire market. Now, besides that, what I see, we have a unfilled hourly above us here, unfilled hourly above us here. We have Asian highs above us as well. If this turns on, you can see we have a true day open and Asian highs resting above us. Those are my draws on liquidity. I see on the hourly time frame, I feel sick, sorry. On the hourly time frame, we have a 1-hour bullish gap, 1-hour order block. We tap into both and respect it. Look how clean we respect it. We tap into it on the 5-minute. Now, I was looking for shorts here in the sense that if price were to respect this bearish 5-minute right here, I was open to shorting to London lows because we had London lows below us. But we didn't. We respected it for like 10 minutes and then we came up, inversed it, and closed above this. So we had a 5-minute bullish CISD and a 5-minute IFEG. So I was looking for longs after this bullshit. This is the stupidest thing I've seen in such a long fucking time. Why would we tap into this gap to push lower? And I'm okay, I'm open for shorts. And then last 5 minutes of pre-market, we pump up, inverse all of this, telling us we want to push higher. So obviously I entered long. I entered heavy size today because I'm very confident in this trade. To this high, obviously didn't play out. Not much to it. One trade a day. I'm not gonna revenge trade or anything. Also, I hit what's it called? Tradeify has a loss limit preventing you from going on tilt, which could help some of you guys out. And if you do want to copy their accounts or Alpha Futures, you guys already know to use code ADE. But besides that, honestly, not much to it. That was the only trade I thought was valid in the day. Actually, no, this trade right here. After we push lower, in hindsight, we're still respecting this bearish 5-minute. And then we also get a 5-minute CISD right here. Right? Because we sweep this high. Because we sweep this high right here. And then we push lower. Closing below this body right here. We get a 5-minute CISD. And we can enter in there, targeting this low. Right? So in hindsight, that 5-minute was fine. Stops above that wick. This is a good short that I didn't see until after it played out. This is a good long. I'll take it 10 out of 10 times again. Right? Good long, good short. I didn't take the short. Market is still dumping for no reason. I don't know what it's actually doing. Nothing we can do about it. You can see right here, 1.2K per account. But yeah, besides that, nothing else for you guys. Market was honestly choppy. It wasn't even clean. Oh, here, this could work for you guys. Here, you tap into a bearish 5-minute gap, and then you get a 1-minute CISD to the downside. I didn't take anything on my personal account today, and the only reason I didn't take it, I was looking at this trade, is because there's a 2-minute gap here, and I wanted to see it get inversed. But it inversed all the way down here, so I'm not going to take that. But yeah, this is the trade of the day. Or no, not this one. This is the trade I took. Sorry, I'm like brain dead right now. Right, to midnight open. So you have this trade. That was a good trade. There was a 5-minute CISD around here, I believe. That was a good trade as well. Right, and then this short as well. These were all good trades. Again, in hindsight, I would have only taken this long. And maybe this short, I didn't see it until after it presented itself. Unfortunately, nothing we can do about it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about these trades, feel free to leave a comment. I will be there to answer it. I'm honestly just appalled by price action the last 2 trading days. It's been fucking awful. So that's why I'm in a little weird mood. Supposed to lock in a 10K payout today, and I set myself back like 2 days. So hopefully we can secure that by the end of the week. And in the meantime, I will see you boys tomorrow. Have a great day and peace out.